Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Everydayecrafts. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Everydayecrafts. So let's do the one in the box, because why not? So this should be one of those hanging diamond paintings, I think. So, ordinary toolkit with a couple baggies. Let me put my box on the floor here. So they're rhinestone drills, it looks like. And so it looks like there's some sort of hanging thing here. You could either, it looks like, hang it with this adhesive circle thing here, and it looks like it needs 3 triple A batteries. I'd probably just hang it from this and then hang this somewhere, but it's this bell here. Just trying to see. I'm thinking it's just gonna light up here, but I will finish this for the and add the finish to the end of the video, so you'll see how it looks lit up then. But yeah, it just looks like there's maybe 10 colors, and all the symbols looks like they're numbers. And this is $13.99 in US dollars on Everydayecrafts site. And just in case you want to know, this looks to be about 11, a little bit more than 11 by 13. And let me open the drills here. So it does look like maybe there's, I don't know, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 drills. So these look to be ordinary rhinestone drills here. Ordinary size rhinestone drills. And it looks like there's 2 bigger of these domi drills. So let me put that away. It's always kind of scary when there's little pieces, whether I'll lose some of the baggies. So the next item is this one. Let me open the page so I can tell you things about it. This should be a 30 by 30 with special shapes, assuming they sent me the right item, you know. So, ordinary toolkit. Yep, it does look like it's special shapes. And here it is. It's this, it looks more like an elf sock. You know, one of Santa's helpers elf socks. Just trying to flatten it. The plastic covering on this one is actually a nice thick one. So that's nice. I like that. So it's this elf. It's a special shape, but it's like a full coverage special shape. So it looks like there are 14 colors in all, and it looks like it's just letters and numbers. And so drill field quality looks really, really good. These are the symbols that have kind of like the white inside. So lots of times it does get a little difficult to cover them up, but from far away you really can't see it that much. But when you're diamond painting, you're like, grr, I want to cover the white circle. I don't know. That's just me. So it looks like a lot of these just look like Are these the rhinestone type? Yeah, these are the rhinestone type black drills. They have a flat top instead of the pointy top that you would get from regular round drills. So then it looks like you have a lot of small black, and then it just gets progressively bigger, and then it looks like red, and then a bigger red, and then these look like the clear rhinestones, more rhinestones, and these look like the rhinestones that have an AB coating on them. So that's really pretty. And then some more rhinestones. And then it looks like varying sizes of yellows. Oh, and this one looks pretty. It's like an AB rhinestone. It's like an AB-ish big rhinestone. And I don't know what that looks like. It just kind of looks like a circle with like different bumps on it. It's kind of like if I were to use this, I would use it as the inside of a flower petal. So that's interesting. That's probably like these things here. And that's interesting that they chose these because I would normally see like the domed white drill, the big dome white drill. I don't think I see this one that often. So this one is $6.99 in US dollars. And I don't think I measured it. So it is a 24 by 24. So there's the second item. And the last item. This should be a square diamond painting. It's packed a little differently than normal. Oh, it was getting stuck on the adhesive part. So ordinary toolkit. And these are square drills. And it's of this deer here. Let me move you up. Do you see? It's these deer with some butterflies. Let me flatten the plastic here. So yeah, it's this really, I think this actually looks really cute. This deer with the butterflies in the grass. I do have a lot of deer just walking around my neighborhood sometimes, and they eat my tulips because that's why I gave up in trying to grow tulips in my front yard, because they just eat the tulips. They only eat the flower. So then you have a bunch of headless tulips. So it looks like there are 25 colors, it's just letters and numbers. Unfortunately, no DMC numbers, and there are no DMC numbers on the drills either. So I wish diamond painting companies would stop doing that. I mean, is it really that hard for them to? I would rather not even have this 1 to 25 and just have the letters with the DMC numbers. But yeah, no DMC numbers, alas. Drill field, I think looks actually very, very good. So if it wasn't for the lack of DMC numbers, I'd be way more excited about this. Because I actually think it looks like it'll turn out pretty well. But yeah, alas, no DMC numbers. Oh wait, I forgot to measure this. Oh, and FYI, this thing is $13.99 in US dollars. And it is a 34 by 44. So let's see. Seems like I have a lot of drills. So, and if you don't know, square drills are smaller than round drills. So folks say they're harder, but I also wonder if folks think they're harder just because they take longer, but they don't take into consideration that the same size diamond painting has more drills in a square than they do in a round, just because they're smaller. So yeah, these, they look pretty decent. They look like they're acrylic drills. So some beiges, some pops of color here, probably for the flowers and things. So, you know, even though these don't have DMC numbers, I'm on the belief that they're still in DMC number order. So if you keep them in order, are these the same color? Yeah, if you keep them in order, you might be able to match it up to the correct DMC. Just because I am in the belief that these are still in DMC order, even though they're not. See, like this one is number 3, so I'm guessing this is 310. But yeah, so if you were to kit this down, you could probably still kit them down and maybe figure out the DMC number. I'm gonna figure out the drill situation later. So yeah, that was the last one that I'm unboxing with this. So let me show you everything I got. So here are the deer with the butterflies. Here is the elf stocking, and here is this bell special shape. I will finish the bell by the end of the video. I'm gonna also think about finishing this one for the end of the video too. So I will see you later. So I'm back and I finished the elf sock. Yay! I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's very, very blingy. Let's see, what did I write? So this was a 24 by 24. There was 14 colors. 7 of them were crystal rhinestones and 7 were special. It's poured glue, no DMC code or anything. This took me 1 day to complete. Main issue, the guide circles. So I don't know if you could tell on camera, but you could see behind the black drill. I'm hoping it'll focus, that you'll be able to see behind the black drill the white under it, and it's mainly because there were all the drills for, I mean the symbols for the black drills were in white circles. So yeah, you can see it. You could kind of see just like a bunch of just little like little half moons, or just like a little outline of the white circle behind the black drill. But from far away, you can't tell. And I think this one turned out absolutely beautiful. Like this drill here, it's like the clear rhinestone, but with an AB coating. It's absolutely beautiful. I really like that drill. And these special drills here, they really look awesome on the canvas. So yeah, I think this one turned out really, really beautiful. So I'm happy with this one. Yeah, I like, you know, it's a nice simple image, but you could tell exactly what it is. It was charted very well, so I'm very happy with this. And plus there was a lot of drills on this. It's practically full coverage. It's, I actually wonder if doing these ones take longer than doing a similar sized regular round drill, because on a regular round drill I would have been able to multi-place this. There was a little bit that you could multi-place, but a lot of it you can't, because it's just not in straight lines. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I think this one looks awesome. So I also finished the bells. The bell. There's the bell. So I think this one looks really, really nice too. I kind of wish there was a tiny bit more. No, actually on screen it looks like you can see the contrast well, but in person the differences in the colors are actually kind of minimal, that they kind of just blend together too much. But Yeah, I kind of wish there was a bigger contrast between the different colors of the orange. The green I really like, but yeah, no, I think other than that, I think it turned out great. So what was it? So the actual thing is about 11 by 13. There were 10 colors, 8 of them being crystal rhinestones and 2 specials. This was poured glue, no DMC or crystal codes or anything. It took me 1 day to complete. I didn't have really any comments because it looks good. The what's nice is the glue didn't really go outside of where it should be. So that's what I find lots of times happening with these really partial ones is sometimes the glue goes beyond where it needs to go. But this one actually, I think they did a good job on putting the glue in this one. So it's supposed to light up. I actually haven't tried it yet. So I have some batteries with me. Let's... I need 3 of them. Let's try this. It does look like it comes with this looks like a sticker. So if you wanted to hang this up from here, I don't know though, because I'd be kind of it's not that heavy, I guess. I don't know. I just guess I would be kind of afraid if whether this cord is good enough to hold it. But yeah, it's not that bad. I don't know. Or there's a hook here and you could just hook it up. But there's also a hook here, so you could hook it up there. Do I know? Oop! It's already turned on. Is there no switch? Oh wait, there is a switch. At least we know it works. I was like, no! Am I gonna have to take out the batteries every time if I wanted to turn it off and on? So there is a switch back here. And there it is, all lit up. Seems like the light comes from down here, but it does reflect really well all the way down. Like you can see, look, it kind of... yeah, that looks really good. I thought the light would just be up here and I didn't think it would do anything for the bottom, but the glass does a really good job of projecting the light from the top here. So yeah, no, that looks really good. Like I said, I was surprised that I could see light coming down here. Maybe I should turn off some lights. But yeah, I think that looks really awesome. Let's move you down. I think that would look like during the night, this would look really, really nice. So yeah, there is that one. Let me turn off the light again. Turn on my excess lights. So yeah, here are my, well, let's light it up for the end here. Here are the 2 finishes I have. So thank you to Everydayecrafts for sending the items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!